Welcome to Tech World. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone's battery charger prevents it from being damaged by incorrect current flow? Or how electronic devices stay protected from power surges? The answer lies in a tiny but mighty component called a diode. In today's video, we're going to explore what a diode is, how it works, and why it's crucial in electronics. Let's dive in. A diode is a small but essential electronic component with two terminals, an anode and a cathode. This tiny device plays a big role in controlling the direction of current in electronic circuits. In circuit diagrams, diodes are represented by this symbol, a triangle pointing to a line. The triangle indicates the direction in which current is allowed to flow, from the anode to the cathode. When the positive terminal of a battery is connected to the anode and the negative terminal is connected to the cathode, the diode is forward biased. This means it allows current to flow through it. In forward bias, think of the diode as a gate that opens, allowing current to pass from the anode to the cathode, just like a one-way street. However, if you reverse the connections, with the positive terminal of the battery connected to the cathode and the negative terminal to the anode, the diode becomes reverse biased. In reverse bias, the diode blocks current flow, acting like a closed gate. No current can pass through, protecting sensitive components from potential damage. Diodes are used in countless electronic devices to ensure they operate safely and efficiently. For example, this diode in the circuit protects the light bulb by only allowing current to flow in the correct direction, preventing damage from reverse currents. A diode is a vital component that acts as a one-way valve for electric current. It allows current to flow in one direction, known as forward bias, and blocks it in the opposite direction, known as reverse bias. This simple yet powerful function makes diodes indispensable in modern electronics. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content on electronics.